Hi everyone, I missed you guys. So I'm sure you guys can tell from my neon shirt who I'll be turning into today. Yes, I'll be turning myself into the 17-year-old talented Billie Eilish. I love her voice, her style, and I'm also doing a little Halloween twist at the end. So let's get this started. Also for this look, guys, I will be using Boxycharm September box. Let's go ahead and open it because they always have such amazing products. So the first thing that I see right here is Moda's 5-piece brush set. I think these are mostly for the eyes. Next, we have Too Faced Natural Face Palette. This palette is so fancy. Oops, I almost dropped it. That would be bad. After that, we have Hank & Henry's Blickity Black Eyeliner. And then for the brows, $1 Billion Brow Pen, which has a microblade effect. And then lastly is Dr. Brandt's Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So you guys get all of these for $21 a month. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, I'll have the link below. Okay guys, so I'm going to prep the skin first by using Dr. Brandt's Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This deeply hydrates, so it's also a great makeup primer and you don't have to wash this off. As soon as I apply it, I just smell like a lot of herbs. Like, you know, there's good stuff in this, guys, and my skin feels really soft. After that, I'm going to go straight to foundation. I'm taking a lighter foundation shade because she does have a brighter, like more pale complexion. So I'm just going to go ahead, blend it all with this Wet n Wild Beauty blender. And then I'm going to go straight to cream contouring. I know she doesn't contour and wear a lot of makeup, but this process is just so we can make the face shape look more like her, guys. So I'm contouring the sides of my face, the jawline, and then blending them all out. For the nose, guys, I'm going to take Moda's Moda Pro 5-piece brush kit. I feel like even though these are eye brushes, this is going to be really great for doing detailed contouring on the nose. Her nose is button shaped and it's a bit wider than mine, so that's what I'm going to try to achieve. Next, I'm going to work on her brows, and I'm really excited for this, guys, because her brows are very natural and kind of unkempt in the inner corners, very different than how I normally do my brows. So I'm going to squiggle my brush around, and then I'm also going to be using $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen, which is perfect for this. It makes it super easy to mimic actual brow hairs, so you have really full natural looking brows even though you drew them on. For the eyes, choose a great neutral eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've ever seen her with full-blown makeup on, especially glam makeup. So stay away from the colors and shimmers. I'm also going to go ahead and contour my nose with this shadow and highlight right after. I'm not sure if I'm using highlighter or a lighter eyeshadow here, but after that, I'm going to go ahead and draw a really thin cut crease. This is Hank & Henry's Blickity Black Eyeliner. It is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a really fine little line and on the upper lash line, mainly on the outer corners, so it elongates the eyes. Next step is going to be a little tricky to explain. So basically, I'm applying a white eyeliner on the waterline, so it kind of helps to make my eyes look like they're higher. You see more of the whites underneath, and I think that's one of the reasons her eyes look a little like sleepy all the time. And then I'm going back in with the same Blickity Black eyeliner and outlining the outer edges of the lower lash line. We're almost done with the eye makeup. Let's go ahead and apply some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Make sure that they look long and lush. Last step for the eyes is gluing on individual lashes. I don't like to do this that often because it is pretty tedious, but I feel like it's a must for her look because she doesn't wear any false lashes. So let's go ahead and start gluing them slowly, one by one, right next to each other. I added about 6 or 7 lash pieces to both eyes. Now let's move on to the face. So here I have Too Faced Natural Face Palette. It smells so good, guys. It smells like coconut butter. It's really fancy. It has bronzer, blush, highlighter. I'm going to mix the pink ones and then apply it right above my cheekbones. Not sure if it's just me, but I do see a little bit of Scarlett Johansson in Billie Eilish. Maybe they're related, who knows? But especially the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and outline the lips first with a mauve lip liner and then make sure that it looks full. And then I'm going to top it off with this lip oil. The makeup is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some gray contacts. These are from Desio. Every time I put gray contacts, it looks blue, so I don't know what to do. But let's go ahead and start pinning the hair up. I'm not going to use a wig cap because she does have dark roots, so I think the wig will blend in seamlessly. So here's my silver human hair wig that I got from Wig Logic. I don't have a lot of human hair wigs. I definitely want to buy more. Now let's go ahead and accessorize with some chain necklaces, rings, glasses, beanies, all those fun stuff. So that is my completed Billie Eilish transformation. I try to imitate her, guys, looking all drowsy and sleepy, but it was so hard. I also have my full outfit all neon, top to bottom. Now let's go ahead and do the dark Billie Eilish look, which I think is very fitting for Halloween. So all I did was change into a black shirt and some silver chains, and then we're gonna draw on the bleeding eyes. I feel like she does this very often in her videos. It's really easy to do. I'm just using a super black paint from Makeup Forever. You can use an eyeliner, whatever that you like. And yeah, guys, so that is the completed Billie Eilish transformation with a Halloween twist.